Hey guys, so as you can probably see, today I'm looking a little strange. I thought I would do a little get ready with me. I don't know, I thought it'd be fun, something different on my channel. I've already put my foundation on, that's why I look a little crazy right now. When I self-tan, I kind of mix these two, the Fenty Beauty and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I find these work really good together. Before I get into this get ready with me, I just want to say I am in no way a makeup artist, a beauty guru, none of that. So if you came in here looking for a makeup tutorial, no. I also kind of want to do like a little like get to know me tag in this as well. So throughout the video, I'll be like answering questions and stuff. So let's just get started. Next thing I'm going to go in with is a concealer. And right now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. This one is so good, my all-time favorite concealer. I have pretty bad dark circles under my eyes, so this one is amazing. If you haven't tried this, go try it. Sadly, I'm almost out of this, so I'm like scraping the bottle just to get product out. Also, if you see me looking over there, it's because my mirror is right there. So yeah, I do have pretty bad dark circles, mostly because I don't get enough sleep. And secondly, it kind of just runs in my family as well, so yeah. And then I'll go ahead and do some on my chin. I just got it on my mouth. Great. Put some on my forehead, like that. Normally I would use a beauty blender to blend all this out, but it's all the way across the room. I forgot to get it. I knew I was going to forget something, and of course it has to be my beauty blender, so we're going to use my foundation brush to just blend all that out. So alright, let's go. This brush, by the way, is I just got this brush the other day. It's the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It's so cheap and it's actually really good, so if you're the type of person who likes to use a brush to blend out their foundation, I really would suggest this one because it's really good. I also feel like I'm gonna stab my eyeball out, but my hair today is crazy. I didn't straighten it, it's just natural and insane, so that's why it's up like this and I look crazy. Next, what I'm gonna do is just set this concealer with a little bit of this RCMA No Color Powder. This stuff is really good, and I use this really gross looking beauty. This is like a knockoff beauty blender. I don't know, I got it for like 99 cents, I think. So I use this just like solely for powder underneath my eyes, so I never will like mix it with creams. I find if I don't bake, like my concealer looks so gross. So yeah, go ahead and bake, and then I'll kind of take like the excess and just pat that on my lids to set any like concealer or foundation that's on there. Like that. I don't know why I just switched to using my left hand. Like, I never use my left hand. I really wish I brought a snack with me because I'm getting pretty hungry. Kind of want pizza. So I don't let this sit for very long because if I do, my under eyes will look like the Sahara Desert. They get so dry, so I kind of just blend this off like pretty fast. Next thing, is it weird that I'm forgetting my makeup routine right now? Like, I'm going blank. Bronze at my forehead because it is quite large and in charge. I do not have a forehead, I have a 5 head, so don't ask me why I'm like gripping my head like this, by the way, I don't know. See, I'm not contouring right now, I'm just kind of like warming up my face. And then I'm gonna do the same for my cheeks a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and answer some questions so you guys can, you know, get to know me a little better. But I guess the first question I'll answer, I'm just looking them up on my phone, by the way. Is how old am I? I am 20 years old. I'll be 21 on August 4th. I feel like there's a sparkle on my face, like I can see it every now and then. You know those little sparkles that come from absolutely nowhere? Like they just show up on your face and you're like, where did you come from? I feel like there's one on my face right now. Right there. I see it, it's right there. Has that been on my face the entire time? I really hope not. Okay, another question is, where am I from? I am from Canada. I'm just brushing up my brows, by the way, just get any like, you know, foundation or powder that's stuck in there. So next thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this extremely dirty can't talk. I really can't talk. Today I'm gonna use this extremely dirty Carly Bible palette. because I cannot keep anything clean. This palette is so good, by the way, guys, like, and it was so cheap. I'm not sure if they still sell this or not though, but it's on the BH Cosmetics website if you're interested, and yeah, go check it out because it's awesome. I'm just gonna take this shade right there, probably doing a really bad job at showing that, but it's a really light, like, peachy color. And I'm just gonna put that, you know, in my crease just to start off with. I pretty much only wear like warm tone eyeshadows. Like, I never really wear cool tones ever. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I have blue eyes and I find like the more like orangier, ready. I find like the more orangey red shades look a lot better on blue eyes. My dog is like freaking out over there, just like rolling around in my bed. Ow, there's something in my eye. Oh, there she go. Oh, that hurts so bad. I want to like do different videos on my channel, like besides hauls. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love doing hauls. Like, I will continue doing hauls forever. So no worries about that. But I want to do, I don't know, I just want to like branch out and do different videos. Like today. Lately, I haven't been getting notified when somebody comments on my videos, so if I don't reply, it's because I didn't see it. I don't know why. I don't know how to change it. It's so weird. I love getting notified just because I can reply right away. Take that shade right up there, just with my finger. I feel like it applies better with my finger, and I'm just gonna kind of take that like all over my lid. See, this is why I'm not a beauty guru, because I use my fingers. I have like a huge brush set right next to me, and I choose to use my finger, so. I don't know, I feel like some shadows just apply so much better with your finger. Like, I keep forgetting to answer questions, I'm sorry. I'm the worst at like, I get so distracted, honestly. I'm like a squirrel, I'm like, shiny thing, you know? These questions is, what is my favorite movie? That's gotta be like the hardest question of all time, because I am constantly watching movies. I would say I really like The Visit. I have watched that one probably like 3 or 4 times now, and it just gets better every single time. And I really like 21 Jump Street, and then the second one. If I'm in a bad mood, I will watch that movie and just die laughing because it's so funny. So next thing that I'm gonna do, did I bring a brush over for this? Probably not. I have to find a brush. Literally everything is everywhere. Oh, this is like a highlight. What was that? What did I just say? So this is a highlight palette from Makeup Revolution as well, and it's really good. I highly suggest it. But I'm just gonna take one of these shades and just pop it in my inner corner just to brighten everything up. Where would I like to travel to? Oh gosh, so many places. I think top 2 would definitely be like Hawaii and Greece for sure. I don't know, I really want to go there. I always see pictures and I'm just like, I want to be there. I'm gonna take that shade right there. It's a little bit darker, and kind of just like start darkening up. Just start like darkening up the crease slash outer corner a little bit, and just kind of taking that like right under the eye. This part always scares me. My hair is just a mess today. This is why I always straighten it, because it's a mess. Next thing, I'm gonna go in and attempt to do my eyebrows. Now, it can either be a really good eyebrow day or it can be a absolute terrible eyebrow day. Out of the pencil right now, there's nothing left in here, so I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit thing, and I'm just gonna take the powder. So basically what I do is I kind of just outline the underneath on both brows, and then I'll go on the top and just, you know, fill the rest in. My camera keeps shutting off. I don't know what's going on with it. And yes, I do like having darker eyebrows. I don't know, I just think it looks nice. You know what's actually so annoying though is my eyebrows are like totally different shapes. Like this one is like a lot longer and this one's shorter, so, or vice versa, I can't remember. One of them is also like naturally thicker than the other as well, which is extremely annoying. My camera keeps overheating, but the brows are on. They're decent. I'm not like too happy about them, but they'll do. What is my biggest fear? My biggest fear has gotta be like open water like oceans and heights. First of all, I can't really swim that well, and sharks are a thing and they're very scary. Secondly, heights are just scary, man. I did brows, I'm doing eyeliner now. You know, we're going through a lot in this little time. So now that my eyeliner is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. Oh, I just poked myself right in the eye. Ow! Ow. I'm gonna go back with this Makeup Revolution palette and just dip into the first 2 shades there and contour. I'm gonna go in and work the product down. So yeah, just, you know, creating the illusion that I actually have cheekbones when in reality I definitely don't. And just do the same for the other brow. Or brow. What am I talking about? The other cheek. I'm just gonna go in and kind of like blend that out just so it's not like super harsh or anything. I hold my brushes really weird, by the way. I hold them like all the way down here. Does anyone else do that, or am I just a weirdo? I'm just gonna bring, oops. I'm just gonna bring any like leftover, this piece of hair is like getting caught up. I'm gonna bring any leftover bronzer like right down my temples and stuff, so. And on my nose. And on my chin. Oh shoot. So I actually think this is the millionth time that my camera shut off. So that's wonderful. Now I'm gonna take a blush, just this really old one from, what's the brand, Maybelline? Yeah, Maybelline. It's just like a mineral powder blush, and it's really pretty. On the same brush that I use to contour, because this is normally my blush brush. That's so hard to say. Blush brush. Blush brush. I always feel really weird when I do blush because I'm just like awkwardly smiling at my mirror, and you know. So you guys are probably all gonna laugh at me right now because this is kind of embarrassing, but this brush broke. Like the handle kind of just like came off, but I really like the brush, so I still use it like this. Please don't laugh at me. But basically what I do is I take this highlighter from Wet n Wild, and it's just like kind of like a little bit too dark to be a highlighter on me, but I really like it as a like blush topper. Look at that. Look at that. Go back to this Makeup Revolution palette and kind of mix, I kind of mixed 2 colors. I mixed this one right there and that one right. Just gonna take the highlighter. I'm gonna bring it up. So I literally almost forgot to contour my nose. Don't know how that happened, but I'm just gonna go back into my contour palette and just do the bottom of my nose. The lashes I'm using are Ardell's. I think they're like the wispy ones or something like that, but okay. So I feel like we haven't answered a question in a while, so let's go answer a question. What is my favorite color? Right now, it's probably pink. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is go in with a different mascara and just do my bottom lashes. Very lightly. I don't like a lot of mascara on the bottom. Final step is lips, so I'm just using this one. This is actually from Forever 21 and it's so good. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of gloss on, and this is just the e.l.f. lip lacquer, but I just use it as a gloss, and I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. Just like that, just add a little bit of sheen. This is the finished look. I really wish that I got to answer more questions, but my stupid camera keeps overheating and shutting off. So I hope you guys really enjoyed. I know this is kind of different on my channel. You're probably like, Morgan, where are the hauls? We want to see the hauls. I am going to bring you some soon, promise. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.